How to transfer BNB from Binance Exchange to Web3 Wallet. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to transfer BNB from Binance Exchange to Binance Web3 Wallet. After you open the Binance wallet like this now, Web3 Wallet, so now go to this receipt. So from the receipt section, now tap on this receipt tokens from Binance Exchange. So from this list, now Binance will give you all the currently coins that are currently holding on your Binance exchanger. So on my Binance exchanger now, I'm currently holding all these coins. So it will give you all the list of the coin you are currently holding. Just go and select the BNB on your balance. So after you select the BNB like this, go and select the network and go to continue. Then from there, you can tap on this confirm button. So from this option now, here is the network and here is the address. Just tap on this option now to specify the amount. The minimum withdrawal of BNB from the exchanger to wallet is 0.001. So I will just go ahead and 0.5. After you specify the amount, just tap on this withdraw button. From there, the BNB will be sent into your Binance Web3 wallet. That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe.